Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty. I am also well. Students, you know that due to coronavirus epidemic, our regular classes cannot be held. As a result, you are lagging behind in respect of your studies. So, considering the students' lesson, our school authority has decided to take virtual classes. As a part of this, today I am going to take an online class with you. But before starting the class, let me briefly introduce myself. I am Begum Malika Jannat, STEM teacher at Ajay Parvati Model Government High School. Now, I would like to take this opportunity to talk to you about English for today, for class 7, Unit 4, Lesson 4. Dear students, open your book and look at the picture. Students, you can see a picture that is a shop. Here are many things you can see, like books, khatas, pencils, eraser, sharpener, fruits, loaf, water bottle and other things. And you also can see some students. In this picture, there is an interesting things you can also see. There is no bargaining and there is no shopkeeper. So, today our lesson is fixed price shop. Dear student, now I read the passage and you will try to understand it. Miss Shahana Huda is talking to the students about a new kind of shop. Shahana, you can buy any stationery items here like pens, pencils, notebook, colored paper, in fact everything you need for writing and drawing. You can also buy some food items like biscuits, buns, banana, bottles of mineral water and some other necessary things. You can also buy your school uniform and other clothes. There are a number of benefits of this shop. You don't have to bargain or haggle with the shopkeeper over the price of anything. Rithar, what is bargain or haggle, teacher? Shahana, suppose you want to buy a shirt or a dress in a shop in the market. You ask, how much is this? The shopkeeper says 300 taka. But in many cases, this price is more than the real price. So you offer 200 taka or even less. The shopkeeper says, now I can't sell it for 200 taka. Then you offer 225 taka and he may still say, no, it will be a loss for me. This process of asking for and offering more and less money is called bargaining or haggling. It goes on until you both buyer and seller agree on a price, say 250 taka. In this case, this price is acceptable to both of you. Sadia, if there is no bargaining, how are we going to buy things? Shahana, you don't need to bargain. It will be a fixed price shop. Dear students, I hope you have understood the text very clearly. Students, I have written some words on the board. That the first, the words synonym, antony and its Bengali meaning. The first one is bargain. Its Bengali meaning দর ঠিক করা, synonym agreement, ঢিল, antonym disagreement. Next, hugging. Its Bengali meaning দর কষাকষি করা, synonym bargain, antonym agree. Next, loss. Bengali meaning ক্ষতি, deprivation, synonym, and antonym is gain. Next, need. Its Bengali meaning দরকার থাকা. Its antonym demand or want, antonym object. Next, adhere, her, its synonym admit, ঘৃণা, antonym. Acceptable, its Bengali meaning গ্রহণযোগ্য, allowable, synonym, antonym unacceptable. ভাই, ভার, Bengali meaning ক্রয় করা, synonym purchase, antonym sell. The last one is necessary, প্রয়োজনীয়, synonym essential or useful, antonym unnecessary. Dear students, then I am writing some questions on the board. And you will write your answers on your khata and match with me. Question number 1. Question number 1. Do you go shopping where is the shop? Do you go shopping? Where is the shop? Second question. Bye. Question number 3. Do you bargain? Why do you do that? Question number 4. Do you know about a fixed price shop? Fixed price shop. Where is it? Students, question number 1. Do you go shopping? Where is the shop? Yes. The answer is yes. I go shopping. The shop is at New Market. Question number 2. What do you usually buy? I usually buy some things like books, khatas, pencils, rubbers, erasers, and many other things. Question number 3. Do you bargain? Why do you do that? Do you bargain? Yes, I do bargain. Because in many cases, the price is more than the real price. Question number 4. Do you know about a fixed price shop? Where is it? Yes, I know many fixed price shops. It is in Chanmai Road, Warnijam Road, and others. Dear students, I hope you have understood the lessons very clearly. Students, before finishing the class, I want to talk to you about hygiene. Wash your hands regularly with soap or hand sanitizer, and you have to maintain hygiene. No more today. Thank you all.